Hey, so my name is Jonathan Henderson and I run an agency that's solely focused on pressure washing businesses. And today I want to give a quick testimonial about my experience with Ed, Rob, and the Click Geeks team. Because when I first started, in my marketing journey, I only did websites and SEO for these pressure washing businesses. And so sometimes they want leads immediately, and we know that SEO can kind of take 6 to 8 months, so PPC is a great solution. But for me, I did not feel knowledgeable or comfortable enough, selling it and providing, great results for my clients. And so one of my friends had referred me to Click Geeks because they got good results and, they had a good experience with, Rob and the Click Geeks team. So I said, heck, why not? So I went on their website and I saw that they had a course. And so I said, that's even better. So I went ahead and dived into the course, and I got more knowledge than I ever thought I would. And it was at such a good price. And so with that being said, the next few clients that I got, I went ahead and I, used Click Geeks and I used Ed and I used their services. And one of my pressure washing clients is already having a record month after 3 weeks of only running a PPC campaign. And, like I said, for my other clients as well, it has been such a great experience. A lot of these business owners have been getting a lot more leads into their business, and I'm happy, they're happy. And it's also an easy way to scale, and I can sleep comfortable at night knowing that somebody is behind my PPC campaign that can deliver results. So if you're looking for a PPC solution, I highly recommend Click Geeks. It's been an amazing experience.